Dear student, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 17. The name of the chapter is economic problem and challenges, poverty and unemployment. Now dear student, today we have to learn about the unemployment. Today big topic we have to learn about the unemployment. Among the current problem of the India, if you have to see the current problem of the India, the problem of the unemployment is one kind of the crucial problem. Which kind of the problem is there? One kind of the crucial problem. Crucial problem is that unemployment. Due to that, poverty is originated due to the unemployment. What they have to say that, dear children? They have to say that the poverty is originated due to the unemployment. This is a long-term problem, and that's why we can say that this is the one kind of the long-term process is the unemployment, and has a core deep-rooted in economy, and it has a deep-rooted in economy. Maximum countries of the world, if you have to see, the maximum countries of the world are facing the problem of the unemployment, and that's why we can say that the maximum nations are facing the problem of the unemployment. Now dear children, our next topic is the meaning of the unemployment. Now we have to learn about the meaning of the unemployment. Meaning of the unemployment, it means बेरोजगारी नो अर्थ. One who adult. Now dear children, what is the meaning of the unemployment? One who is an adult and whose age is 15 to 60 years. Whose age is how much? 50 to 60 years, and who is ready to work at the prevalent market rate of wages, and read at the prevalent market rate of wages as an energy and the qualification of the work. It means the person has a age of 50 to 60 years, ready to work, is also the rate of wages as an energy as well as a qualification of the work. Who is in search of the work? The person is searched in the work, but is not getting work. The person is eligible for the work. He has energy, he or she, anyone, but he is not getting the work. Such a person is said to be the unemployed, and that's why we can say that this kind of person is known as a unemployed. Who is unemployed? A person is eligible. Person has a energy to work. He has a qualification also. He has a energy, but he is not find any work. That's why he or she is included into the unemployment. Now, if the people who demand the wages more than the prevalent market rate, what they have to say that? If the people who demand the wages more than the prevalent market rate and who are not in age group of 15 and 60 years, the person is not included in the age group of 50 to 60 years, and who are handicapped, weak, sick or old, lazy, housewife, those who are not willing to work in spite of being capable are not considered as unemployed. It means in unemployment you cannot include the people who are handicapped, weak, sick, lazy, housewife, and they are not willing to work in spite of being capable are not considered as unemployment. Now next one, dear children, we are learning about the types of the unemployment. Now we are learning about the types of unemployment. In the types of unemployment, it means बेरोजगारी ना मुख्य स्वरूप. That is known as the types of the unemployment. Now following are the types of the unemployment of the Indian economy. Now first type is the seasonal unemployment. Which one? Seasonal unemployment. Seasonal unemployment, it means ऋतु पर बेरोजगारी. That is known as the seasonal unemployment. Now under this seasonal unemployment, the seasonal unemployment due to the lack of irrigation facility. What they have to say that due to the lack of irrigation facility, irregularity in the rainfall, lack of alternative employment, farmer have to remain the unemployed for 3 to 5 months in India. Dear children, we know that the maximum people of the India are dependent on agriculture sector. That's why what they have to say that they have to say that lack of irrigation facility, irregularity of the rainfalls, lack of alternative employment of the farmer, remain unemployed for 3 to 5 months in India. This is called as a seasonal unemployment. Now second, they have to given about the frictional unemployment. Which one? Frictional unemployment. Frictional unemployment, it means घर्षणजन्य बेरोजगारी. Now, in this frictional unemployment, when the new technology introduced in place of the old technology, we know very well that as a time the technology was changed. That's why they have to say that when new technology is introduced in place of the old technology, labor remain the unemployed for the some time. This is called as the frictional unemployment, and that is known as a frictional unemployment. Third, they have to given about the structural unemployment. Which one? Structural unemployment. What is the meaning of the structural unemployment? Structural unemployment, it means मार्गागत बेरोजगारी. Now, in this structural unemployment, Indian economy is backward and the orthodox. Indian economy is backward and orthodox. Social backwardness, traditional orthodoxy, custom, illiteracy, lack of structural facility are responsible for structural unemployment. Which things are included in structural unemployment? We can say that economy is backward and orthodox. As well as we have to find in society that social backwardness is there, as well as the traditional orthodoxy. That's why the structural unemployment is there. Next, they have given about the disguised unemployment. Which one? Disguised unemployment. Disguised unemployment, it means प्रच्छन्न के छुपी बेरोजगारी, that is known as a disguised unemployment. Now, under this disguised unemployment, sometimes the more than required the number of the worker are involved in an occupation. It means in any occupation, whatever the requirement of the labor, then more labor are to be included. Even if a few labor are removed from the work. Now what happens? They have to remove the few labor from that work. No decrease is recorded in total production, and that's why there is no any kind of the decrease in the total production. So this extra labor are said to be the unemployment. So we can say that in any industry the extra labor is there. This extra labor is should said to be the unemployed and disguise the way. Now next, they have to given about the educational unemployment. Which one? Sorry, fifth one, industrial unemployment. Fifth one, which they have to given that they have to given about the industrial unemployment. Industrial unemployment, it means औद्योगिक बेरोजगारी. In this industry skill, if anyone has to remain the unemployment for the short time or the long time, it means if any person is unemployed for the short time or the long time due to the changes taking place in the industrial sector. What happened there? Here, the changes is taking place in the industrial sector. Such situation is called as a industrial unemployment. And last one, sixth one, they have given about the educational unemployment. The educational unemployment, it means शिक्षित बेरोजगारी, that is known as a educational unemployment. According to the educational unemployment, a person has to obtain at least secondary educational degree, and his unemployment is called as a educated employment. It means the person is educated, they have a degree and they have a qualification, but he is not find any job. That person is included into the educational employment. Next, they have to given about the proportion of the unemployment in India. What they have to given that? They have to given that proportion in unemployment into the India. It means भारतમાં બેરોજગારીનું પ્રમાણ. According to the proportion of unemployment in India, there is a difference in state-wise condition of the unemployment. Here, what they have to given that? They have to given there is a state-wise of the different condition of the unemployment in India because of indifference in the employment exchange. In registering the detail of the people is interested in getting the job. Now what happened that here the people are doing the registration. In this registration the people are getting the job. It is the difficult to take out the exact or appropriate figure, and it is very difficult to find out and accept the appropriate figure. Still on the basis of the figure of the Labour and Employment Ministry of India National Sample Survey. Which sample they have to done? They have to done the NSS, which means National Sample Survey. we get an idea about the comprehensive of the unemployment. According to the census counting in 2011, near about 116 million people were searched in the employment. How many? Near about 116 million people are in the search of the employment. 32 million people were uneducated, unemployed. How many? 32 million people. They were educational unemployment people are there, and 84 million are educated unemployed. 84 million people are educated unemployed. So approximately 4.70 crore people of 15 to 24 age group are unemployed. If you have to see the data according to the survey of Labor Bureau in 2013 and 14, the rate of the unemployment in India was observed to be the 5.4%. In India, the more unemployment has been witnesses in the state like Sikkim, Kerala, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jammu Kashmir, Tripura. These all are the major states of the India where we have to find the more ratio of the unemployment. Condition of the employment in Gujarat is a good and noteworthy. According to the estimation that 15% of highly educated people are the youth. How much? Near about 15% of highly educated people are the youth. And 66% of the world who are youth of 35 years of the age live in India. If the India want to become the superpower on the basis of the youth, it will have to change the unpleasant from the unemployment. It means India is the highest population of the youth people. Then India will be the superpower in the world level. If they have to use the proper youth power. Main reasons and the responsible for the increase in unemployment in India, increase in population. Which is the main second reason? Second reason is increase in population in India. That's why the unemployment of the India was increasing. And theoretical knowledge only, lack of practical knowledge. After the lack of practical knowledge, skill, failure in providing the complete employment, irregularity, rainfall in agriculture area, and more in this, losing the interest in agriculture sector, improper irrigation facility, lack of alternative employment during the sector, and other than agriculture seasons are weak condition of the cottage industry, household industry, small scale industry, caste system, joint family system. People are forced to follow the traditional business of the family, lack of courage, set of new businesses, flow in knowledge, skill, training, experience in mobility of labor. After non-proper planning of labor, low growth rate in industrial development, less rate of saving, tendency thus decrease in rate of capital creation was there, and that's why the new business industry cannot be set up due to the lack of investment. That's why today we have to learn about the unemployment, minimum of unemployment, types of unemployment, as well as the proportion of the unemployment in India. Thank you.